Hi, welcome to a Fusion 360 video tutorial. It's a follow-up to the last one. It's just another way to do that cylinder. So let's start with a sketch on the YZ plane. That will be a rectangle. And this line should be a center line, so convert it. Okay. And I need to project that plane into the sketch, so go for project, include project, like that, confirm, and I will need a diameter. That diameter will be 136, and now I could go for collinear, so that projected plane and this upper line will be collinear, then that one here and this one and those two. And I will reuse that sketch, so I want to copy those elements, so go for Ctrl C, finish that sketch and make a revolve and confirm. Now a new sketch on the same plane, on the on the YZ plane. Okay, let's insert those copied elements and move it a little to the side. Okay, now I have to change that value to 150, and this should have a dimension, and that should be placed here. So let's go for that dimension. Let's leave it like that, so it's easier to place and make a projection. So project that plane here, and then make this line here and that projection up here collinear, then go for that axis and that line here, and now change that value to 1.67 and finish that sketch. Make another revolve, and it should not be cut but joined, and confirm. Now let's do a linear pattern, a feature pattern, so that would be the last feature, this one, and the axis would be the Z axis, spacing yes, 131 instances, distance would be minus 6.67, and this should be just 1, and I want it to be identical. This looks okay, and confirm. Now another sketch on the same plane, and those sketch elements should be still in the clipboard, so let's Ctrl V, move it a little bit over here. Oh, sorry, I didn't want to delete it, so let's bring it back. Just move it over here and confirm. And this should be changed to, so let's go for that distance should be 47. And this distance should be 14. And I need a fillet. So let's go for a fillet right here. Like that. Sorry. No, like I need a fillet from this line here to that line here. Yeah. And the radius should be 7. I don't need this here, and this should be trimmed like that. looks okay. That's the projection, I suppose. So let's go for, where is it? Not there. That's crazy. So let's move this a little bit so we can see this and delete it, because I've copied the projection as well. And this should be trimmed as well. Okay, this looks better. And I need that plane projected into my sketch once more, so let's go for project include. Project that plane. And now make it collinear. So that line and this should be collinear. And the distance from this line here to that axis here, or that point, should be not a diameter but a normal dimension, and that would be 75. Finish that sketch and make a revolve. And don't cut it, but join it. That will not work, so I have to go for a new body. No, I can't join it, sorry. Because, yeah. And then we can make a circular feature pattern. So go for a circular feature pattern. The feature would be that revolve. Axis would be the Z axis, and I need 4 instances, full circle, and confirm. Great. Let's check that one sketch, this one, because I think that there might be some, no, it's a correct sketch. Okay, now let's bring back sketch 3 and use it for an extruded cut. Make it symmetric. Hole distance 200. Cut is okay. Now hide that sketch again. Let's go for a hole on the surface, and the values are for the small one. So let's do the small one first. Let's go to that edge. 2010 is okay. Let's confirm. Make a circular pattern. Feature pattern, yes, that would be the last hole. Axis would be that Z axis again. Spacing, yes, 4 instances. And I need a circular pattern. Like that, and now I need 4 instances and confirm. Now for the last hole on this surface, it should go through all, and I want it to be 126 in diameter. And select this edge here, so it's centered, and confirm. And I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on Facebook, Twitter, GrabCat, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.